This is a very exciting day. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about making sewing fun and approachable, and we are about to merge an OG rare fabric collection with the new, and I'm talking about the Tula Pink Tabby Road fabrics. This is one of the hottest and rarest fabric lines probably ever. I bought this fabric years ago, cat themed, so get this really cool multicolor cat print. There's like some greenery. I don't know what these are. These marbles, I'm not even sure. Blossoms. And I happened to pick this up years ago in a few different colors. So I've got blue, dark, like raspberry, orange, aqua, and then I got a couple of the blender low volume fabrics. So I thought this was cool. It's sort of like geometric triangles in blue and aqua and purple. And then these are supposed to be cat eyes. And I think I got 2 yards of this. I just think it's beautiful fabric. And for some reason, I just haven't used the fabric, as you can see, because it's still here uncut. And I started seeing this fabric go for crazy amounts of money on eBay and Etsy. And it's just nuts. Like people are selling fat quarters for $60 or something. I mean, I wouldn't pay that much for fabric, but I guess there are people who would. So if you missed out on this collection and you love cats, you have another chance, because Tula Pink did a remix, sort of like a redo Deja Vu thing, and she re-released this collection, but in slightly different colorways, and that's what I'm about to unbox right here. So I pre-ordered mine from Fat Quarter Shop. I am an affiliate, and I'll link some places right now. Again, this is probably going to go pretty fast, so if you are looking to pick up this collection, I would probably get it sooner rather than later. And as you know, a lot of these fabric companies, they don't really do a lot of reprints, so this is what it is. I'll link to a few places. I am an affiliate, but I purchased this myself with my own money, and I decided to get a 1 yard bundle of all of the new prints. So we're going to take a look at the new prints, and we'll compare them to the OG original prints. I thought that'd be kind of fun. You can tell this was cut off the bolt by Fat Quarter Shop. And yeah, it says Deja Vu Tabby Road 1 yard bundle. And this is by designer Tula Pink for FreeSpirit Fabrics. Oh my gosh, I am excited. So I wasn't sure what bundle I wanted to get. They had fat quarters, they had 1 yard bundles, half yards, but I thought a 1 yard bundle was pretty safe. Whenever I'm not sure how much fabric to get, I usually get at least a yard, especially if it's a print I'm really crazy about. So that's what I decided to do. All right. Really nice packaging, and it comes with Fat Quarter Shop's own really cool little plastic ribbon. I like the packaging, and I've ordered from Fat Quarter Shop quite a bit, and the packaging is always very nice, and they do a great job with that. So yeah, it says stitched with love. All right, let's take this off here, and we'll get a closer look at the fabric. Oh my gosh, so this looks like it's like supposed to be like little fur balls, something like that. It's sort of an aqua and then a purple. This is such a fun collection of fabrics, and I really like what they did with the colorways. So you can see in the original, there's a few different colors, but it's a little bit more limited. The new version definitely has more variety of the colors, and I really like this. And one thing that Tula Pink did say is that she didn't want to just re-release the same fabrics because it would devalue the fabric for all of the hardcore collectors out there. And this fabric, her stuff is very collectible. So she comes out with a lot of really fun lines. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. So you can see there's sort of like a dark, I don't know if it's like turquoise teal, like kind of it's more of I would say more of like a turquoise. It's got like lime green, pink, purple, orange, just a lot of really fun colors. And you can see the difference between the original and the Deja Vu. Like it's a little bit more colorful. It's got more of a shade range. I love the cats. I did order her bunny print because I have a bunny. So I couldn't resist that. So I did order, I think, a couple of yards of, she had another collection with a rabbit print fabrics. I did order just that print. All right, oh, this is fun. So sort of a rainbow stripey print. Oh, this will be cool. And I like that they're kind of wider stripes. This is fun. All right, this one is, so there's like mice here, And then, I don't know, this like foliage or leaves, something like that. So this has more, this is very colorful. So you can see all of this here. How cute. One other thing she did say is that she wanted all of these fabrics in the original collection and in the Deja Vu collection to all work together. And I think they do. Ooh, okay, so this is a direct comparison to my OG print. And yeah, look at, there's just more colors integrated. And I actually I almost like the new collection almost better than the original collection. I don't know, what do you think? I like that they incorporated more colors. Here's some cat food. And yeah, I remember the cat food print from back in the day, and I believe there are like more colors worked in. Yeah, this is a really fun one too. Reminds me kind of Garfield, something like that. Yeah, she did 2 of the cat prints, and then the rest are more coordinating fabrics. Okay, so the other cat print. Okay, so the cat on this one, this is a little bit of a larger scale print. Again, more colors. Oh, and there's little stars in here. I don't think there are stars in the original one, so that's cool. So she put in some stars. Again, you got these little, I don't know, they're like berries, I don't know, marbles. The cat has like spots, and I really like how it's just a little bit more colorful. This is a really beautiful print too. I like, what's your favorite out of all of these? I really like these 2 prints here, but I actually think I like the large scale. I think this might be my favorite in terms of the color and everything, but it's just beautiful. It really captures, I think, the cats. Oh my gosh, how cute. I don't know, are they like climbing on trees? I'm not even sure. But lots of colors, lots of dimension. And yeah, I love the original collection, and I'm really glad I have it. I think the Deja Vu collection, I think they improved upon it. I really do. So I like the color, I like the colorways more a little bit. But again, I'm really glad I have both. And then this is the new cat eye print. It's actually fairly similar to the OG one. It does seem to have a bit more color variety in the eyes themselves. But both of these I think are really nice. I like the colors a little bit better in this OG print, but it does seem like they incorporated more colors into the Deja Vu print. I think I got 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and a lot of these are actually coordinated prints. So there's actually only 2 new cat prints with the actual cats on them, and then the rest are coordinating. But they're really fun. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with this, guys. I'm honestly not sure. And this is one of my favorite fabric lines of all time. And it's one of those that I've just been really afraid to cut into and do anything with. But maybe I'll have to start doing something with them. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know below in the comments. Do you have a favorite print? I think this one is my favorite. I really do. I just like the colors. I like everything about it. It's super cute. But I just wanted to do a quick, like, kind of unboxing fabric thing, just comparing these two, because this is definitely going to be one of the hottest fabric collections of 2024, in my opinion. Tula Pink, bravo. Just absolutely lovely. And I was really excited to rip open the mail and check it out. Anyways, let me know what you think about this video. Check out some of the others here on the channel. You can also catch me live on my second channel, Sewing Report Live, every Sunday night at 6 p.m. Eastern, where we talk about what's going on in the world of sewing and crafts. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you again in the next one. And remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.